If you're looking for handmade toys for cats. This video is for you. My name is Emma, your personal guide. Welcome to our channel. At any time you can click this circle in the corner, and get more info and real-time deals on your favorite products. Ready? Let's start. Number 1, Bestseller, by the Meow Boutique. Watch this video, choose your favorite. Number 2, another great product by the Meow Boutique. Number 3. For more info and great handmade toys for cats, just click this circle. Number 4. Number 5, also by the Meow Boutique. For more great related products, full details and online deals, just click this circle.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.